got my first gar here, Longnose Gar here at the Kerr Dam. All right, looks like we got another gar. I caught one on the Tar River whatever a year ago and he came off at the bank, so let's see if we can't get this guy. He's probably about 2 feet long. Wish me luck, guys. Damn, I've hooked him duck. I've got to get this duck out. This sucks. I've hooked a loon. Let's get him free. Got gar number like 4 today. Figured out just put a minnow with no weight, let it float on top, and they'll take it. This one's pretty decent size, about 3 feet long. Man, that's a nice one. Take a good look at him. He's about 3 feet long. Beautiful fish. I hope I can keep him on. We'll try. He's starting to run a little bit. We're just gonna tire him out. All right, I gotta put my phone down. Sorry. Hey, what's up? This is Dave here at the Kerr Dam. I hooked 5 of these gar today. The key is to put a shad on my hook without a weight, let it float up top. They'll just carry it away. And he's probably about 20 pounds or so. He's got to be about 3 feet long. Beautiful fish. First gar ever. That's a beautiful gar right there. It's about 10 pounds or so. It's about 3 feet long. You can look at my, whoops, look at my shoe. So, whoa, fella. All right, team. We came up here to the Kerr Dam for a few hours today. We were at the lake for a couple hours like last time. We used some shad. I didn't have one bite at all. We came across the street to the dam on the backside. Hooked about 4 or 5 gar. We only got one of them, but it was actually the biggest one, so I'm happy about that. First gar ever. You're welcome to subscribe. Got some episodes coming maybe next week or something like that. Everybody has a great week. Take care.